myself Bunny. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Healthy Journey. And guys, in today's video, I have got a certain list of few of the best workouts that I have selected, and you can use these workouts to stay fit in your daily routine. So let's start with the very first one that I have in the list. We will start with jumping jacks just to warm up the body. Let's do it. For jumping jacks, start jumping at your position. And now slightly start opening your legs and your arms wider. Again, normal jump and then upwards. Okay, normal. Now bring your hands in front of your chest like this. Go normal and raise your hands up above your head. Now start jumping normally again and then sideways and upwards. Okay, well guys, this is too much for the warm-up. Let's see what is the next workout that I have in the list. Okay, so next we have the incline push-ups. We'll make the 16 repetitions of incline push-ups over here. And guys, for this you can take the help of a bench. I have my cot over here. Let's do it. So make sure we'll do only just the 16. Okay, let's do it. Alright, well guys, this is too much. Now the next workout that I have is knee push-ups. So for this, simply come into the push-up position and make sure that not the complete push-up, not like this. Put your knees on your mat and try to keep your body straight and then start. Let me check how many push-ups is needed. Okay, so we will make 10 repetitions of knee push-ups. Let's do it. Alright, so guys, you know what? In India, Diwali is nearby, so you can hear the voice of crackers. Not too much, but just one of them. This is my dog. Okay, now let's move on to the next workout. Next, I have the push-up, proper push-up. So we'll be doing the 8 repetitions of push-up over here. This is the push-up position, and let's do it. Alright, now let's check the next workout in the list. Wide arm push-ups. Next we will be doing the wide arm push-ups. This time I'll face towards you only, so you can check the size or the distance between the arms. Okay, so we'll be doing the 8 repetitions. Alright, let's do it. Alright, now let's check the next workout. Okay. All right. So again, we got the incline push-ups over here. We'll be doing the 16 repetitions of incline push-ups. All right. And let's do it. Alright, this is it. Now the next is knee push-ups. Yes, and we'll be doing 10 repetitions of knee push-ups. Put your knees on your mat. Keep your arms in front of your shoulders and start. I forgot the count. Knee push-ups. Alright, 10 repetitions. Okay, now let's see the next workout. Alright. So next we'll be doing the push-ups. Again, push-ups we'll be doing 8 repetitions. Alright, so guys, this was the simple push-ups, 8 repetitions of them. Next I have the wide arm push-ups. If you are feeling a bit like tired, you can take a little bit of rest over here. But guys, make sure while doing these workouts, if you will take the rest of like near about 15 to 30 seconds, then it's going to be the best output for your body. Okay, let me see what my dog is doing. He's tearing something out over there. Okay, now let's do the wide arm push-ups. Alright. Keep your hands apart from each other. Come into the position. Let's do it. Alright, so these are the 8 repetitions. Now let's see what is the next one. Okay guys, next I have the Cobra stretch. So for this, what you have to do, simply lay down on your mat like this. And now from here, keep your body straight and put your hands in front of your shoulders. Now what you have to do, just try to keep the position of your belt onto your mat and raise the upper body like a cobra. Alright, so this is it. Now we'll hold this position for around like 20 seconds. You can count them or you can also keep a watch in front of you. Alright. Okay guys, now not last exactly, but yes, you can say yeah, this is the last one. This is the chest stretch workout. For this, you just need a door. Simply stand over here like this. Keep your elbows below your shoulders like this and come into the lunge position and stretch. Pull your body forward like this. You can hold this position for around 20 seconds. Count them. Okay. This is it, guys. Well, I hope so that this is too much for the day. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Love you and have a ball.